Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 11 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for today is a cold-blooded animal, and I've got this snake, something you see or do on vacation, and I've got this site here, which would be something you would go see. A bit of yellow. I've got this yellow cactus. A map. I've got this map of the United States and Canada. Sheet music. I've got the sheet music. And our bonus is a star, and I've got these star sequins. So I hope everybody's doing great. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP11 to see what everyone else has made. There's some very, very talented ladies, and I love seeing what they've made. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here's my finished collage. I hope you like it. I've got my cold-blooded animal, something you see or do on vacation. I've got my scenery, a bit of yellow. I've got my map. I've got sheet music, and I've got my bonus, which is stars, and I even added a few on the strings where I sewed in my signatures. I added a little washi tape, and I did some splatters with this Distress Mica Spray in Antique Bronze and Distress Oxide and Peacock Feathers. And then I splattered some watered down gesso. So I like the shimmer it gives. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP11. I'll have them listed in my description box down below. So y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.